Okay, so this is a drop link off a few different MGs and Rovers. So it's a simple little link. OEM bush, they obviously fail after many years just with the constant rotation that goes through the bush. These are obviously brand new, but we don't have an old one to show. But they get absolutely trashed, and you start getting a knocking noise in the front suspension or rear suspension, depending on what car you've got. So our solution is a little bonded cotton reel bush. So the tube is actually fixed inside, it's not removable from the bush there. So it goes in as a one-piece bush. So nice and easy to fit. Again, this is one of the bushes which you can fit either way. It's symmetrical either side. One side's got a part number, the other side it's just plain. So in this case, we're just going to put a little bit of washing up liquid around the flange, just to ease fitment. And we're just going to wind it in. And that's it. As easy as that.